with student going to explain some para of the the of health success. First of all, I will go of and uncompromising purity. There is health, there is success, there is power. In such a person, disease, failure, and disaster can find no lodgment, for there is which they can feed. The sooner we realize and acknowledge that sickness is the result of our error or the sooner shall we enter upon the highway of health. Disease comes to those who attract it, to those whose minds and bodies are resistant from those whose strong, pure, and positive thought spare generate and life-giving currents. If you are given to anger, worry, jealousy, or any in state of mind and expect perfect physical, you are expecting the impossible, for you are continually sowing the seeds of disease in your mind. Such conditions of mind carefully shunned by the wise man, for he knows them to be far more dangerous than a bad drain or an infected. Sterling faith, genuine faith, uncompromising for purity of thoughts, disease, illness, failure, want of asafalta, disaster, misery, दुर्भाग्य, lodgement, place, स्थान बनाना, feed, to realize, feel, upon speech, attract, to draw oneself, receptive, to receive, runs away, sphere, region, general, produce, healing, wholesome, give to, less, निराश हो जाना, jealousy with a feeling of envy, ईर्ष्या की भावना, action, लालच, inharmonious, disturbed, expect, hope, impossible, which cannot occur continually with intervals, shunned, kept away, infected, filled with disease, corrupted, produced. Student, now we will go to the context and lesson of above lines. Reference lines essay, The Success and Power, written by James, that clearly explain the secret of health, success, and power. Explanation: the writer says that healthy, therefore, the mind of a should be kept peaceful and balanced. See, spoil the health of the mind. Anger, jealousy, and greed spoil the health of mind. Wise are the men who keep their minds free from evil thoughts and the keep their minds free from thoughts and they find their health is improving. Improve our health, it becomes very necessary for us to be careful. We must lose our temper. We must keep ourselves away from worries. The author further says that if a person is jealous of other people's success, it will not be good for his. We should not cherish greed for wealth because it will disturb our mind and we shall fall ill. Student, today I have finished the para of your text, The Secret of Health, Success and Power. Tomorrow, continue the lesson. Thank you and goodbye.